Good morning to everyone. I am Master Chaitanya Mhatia from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies from third year here to take you on a virtual tour of Poland. So, before going to virtual tour, let's see the country's map how it looks like to make our tour easier. Here's the map of Poland. Poland is covered with some really amazing countries like Germany, Czechia and Russia, which does influence the people of Poland. The flag of Poland has two horizontal colors in it, is that white and red. The white color represents the hope for the peace of people of the Poland, and the red color symbolizes many struggles for freedom over the centuries. The capital of Poland is Warsaw and the currency of Poland is Polish zloty. Going ahead, there is only one language nationally spoken in Poland, that is Polish. Poland country is really unique and there are many facts about the Poland. Let's have a glance over the interesting facts about the Poland. There are around 16 castles open to the public in the country. Poland is home to Malbork Castle, the largest castle in the world and also the largest brick structure in the world. One of the unique Christmas traditions in Poland is to watch the movie Home Alone. Isn't that amazing? But there's more to come. Let's have a look over the tourist attractions in Poland that would surely make you say OMG. Wieliczka Salt Mine. The 13th century Wieliczka Salt Mine is just as important for the locals today as it was hundreds of years ago. But for a very different reason, one of the world's oldest and longest working salt mines. It stopped commercially being operated in 1996 and has since become an artistic attraction for the people. The next is Malbork Castle. Today, the castle serves as a museum with many of its original rooms perfectly preserved for the tourists who come there and visit the castle. Now, Leszczyński Park of Warsaw. Leszczyński Park covers 76 hectares of the city center, making it one of the Poland's largest urban parks. Next is Schindler's Factory of Krakow. Schindler Enamel and Metal Factory, made famous by Steven Spielberg's 1994 movie, is now home to two museums. The part of building has been converted into museums of contemporary art, while Schindler's former office and much of the former factory floor is now a branch of Historical Museum of City of Krakow. Wolfslayer Gear Loss. Hitler's top secret military headquarters is hidden deep in the Masurian woods. When it was active, it had three fortified security areas around it, defended by land mines in addition to heavily armed units. Next is the Kruk to Gryfino. Located just outside the tiny town of Gryfino, the Kruk forest is a perhaps natural marvel that defies explanation. Here a number of pine trees stand on their own, growing with a 90-degree angle at their base, all bent towards north side. These are some places which one must surely go whenever we go to Poland. With this beauty, Polish people and Poland is also blessed with really tasty and mouth-watering dishes. Here are some amazing dishes from Poland. Rosol. There are countless soup types in Poland, perhaps because the average person eats soups as a part of their meal few times a week. Rosol is most common soup. Golapki. Golapki translates to little pigeons, although these cabbage rolls have nothing to do with the birds at all. Kotlets Cowboy. Poland's finest and most popular main course is Kotlets Cowboy. Bigos. Bigos are also known as hunter's stew. It is a meaty dish and an epitome of every Polish nourishment. Makowy. In Christian tradition, a poppy containing thousands of seeds in one head is symbol of harvest and fertility. Therefore, all the people in the Poland believe in eating the poppy seed cake in Christmas that would bring them luck. Let's finally have a look over the major cities of the Poland. Warsaw. Warsaw today is considered as Alpha Global City, a major international tourist destination and a significant cultural, political and economic hub. Krakow, the second largest city of the Poland and the ancient capital, the third largest city of the Poland, lodges a thriving center of academic life. That's all about the beautiful country Poland. Thank you.